Good. Hi, I'm Nikki Gish from Lethbridge Christian School. I teach grade 8 and phys ed here. And today our grade 8 classroom is participating in the Skills Alberta Build Challenge. Last week and in the weeks leading up to this, they've been working in their groups to take a look at sustainable housing. So what that is and what kind of materials they might use that are sustainable, minimal environmental impacts, buildings that might be portable, or kind of just different ideas for how we can build and what we can build, and particularly here in our region, using things maybe that are local and or just having minimal impacts on the environment as we build. So each group has come up with kind of their own plan. They've gone ahead and they've created a logo for their group that they are also involved in making a keychain for their group to represent. And of course, today is the all exciting build day. Last week we also did an intro to tools skills to ensure that they all kind of knew how to work the variety of basic tools, and all of the material and equipment was provided by Skills Canada to us, and so it's just a fantastic opportunity for us as a school to access some tools and materials that we wouldn't either or otherwise have access to, and also an opportunity for kids to gain kind of that hands-on experience in kind of the career industry. So last week we had it kind of split up into plumbing and electrical, photography, fashion design, and so they got to do a little project around each kind of those areas, and that gave them the opportunity to build the skills then that they're putting into play today. So minimal adult participation, so that makes it so that they have to work cooperatively with each other, taking into account everybody's ideas, listening to one another, getting creative as to how they will build things and what they will build them out of. Because of course they have some big ideas, but it's just bringing those to life at a small scale model that's kind of exciting. So we are participating, there's a live stream on, so we can see the other schools in Alberta that are participating as well. And that just gives us an idea of, just how big and vast our province is and how other kids in our province are working together. And also, hopefully later in the day, they'll have an opportunity to see what some of the models that the other schools have built, and hopefully show off their models and get those all finished up, and then enjoy a little game at the end of the day. So my hope is just that hands-on experience. I think, we often in the classroom see those learners that academically they excel, but this is just an opportunity for kids that really are kinesthetic and enjoy those hands-on opportunities to excel as well, and to use some of those skills and to even just get familiar with some of those skills in hopes that, as they move into adulthood, to open those doors to all different pathways of where they might end up. I mean, we all know that things like plumbers and electricians, those skilled trades are in high demand, and so some of these kiddos, this might be their first kind of experience with some of those areas, and they just might go, oh, hey, I really did this and enjoyed it, and that might spark a, enthusiasm in them for it. I just am so thankful for this opportunity and so thankful for this program and all of the sponsors that make it happen, because as I mentioned, the tools alone that we have access to now for our school, it's just fantastic because we can use them in projects going forward, and it just opens up opportunities not just for my classroom but for other classrooms as well to use those.